G'day everyone, it's Rob here, VK5SW, and I'm just about to show the assembly of a portable HF antenna called the Buddipole. It's excellently made and very portable. You can take it just about anywhere. Various configurations, but the one I'm setting up today is a dipole. So I'll show you shortly, but before I do that, I'll just show you the location here. We're on the top of a mound or a hill, small hill, and we've got 360-degree views to the horizons. So excellent takeoff point. Doesn't get much better, I suppose, unless you're up higher. So this is all those bushes that you can see there. They're called blue bush, similar to salt bush. Red dirt country here, very dry. Don't get much rainfall. The other side of the goiter line, as they call it. I have a couple of solar panels here which I'm setting up to power a radio station, a portable one, which I'll use up here. So here's the beginnings of the Buddipole antenna. You put this together and it's very easy. I'll just show you shortly, but I've already put some of it together so that it doesn't take too long to show. So obviously there's the tripod and the various lengths which unscrew, and I think it can go up to a height of about 12 feet. I haven't used it yet, so this is my first experience with it. So these are all screwed together, that length there, and then you've got the multi-band coil. This is an HF antenna, and it covers from 40 meters up to 2 meters, I think. And this is the whip, as they call it. That can be extended to any length to get the SWR correct. Okay, I'll just come over here. You would have seen that before, but you can see the coil there and the whip which extends out, and also this length of rod which goes near the centre of the Buddipole. So we have here, what do they call that? The T junction or something similar, and you fit an RF choke to that, and then the coaxial cable 25 feet long which goes to the radio. And here of course you can see the extendable sections to the tripod. Okay everyone, I'm going to just show you quickly the assembly of the Buddipole portable dipole. That's the RF choke. I'm just going to put on the antenna now. that is going to swing around. It's not tightened up yet, but you can get the idea. It's pretty easy to set up. From there, all you need to do is attach the feed line, and that's it. Very quick and easy. That's a great system, and the chap who designed it and manufactures it in the US should be congratulated. It's a great portable to take, a great portable antenna to take with you, and all you do is pull it apart and put it in that black bag that you saw earlier, and off you go. You can take it wherever you want to. So it's excellent. I'm yet to try it out on the air, but from all reports they work pretty well. And from this location in particular, up in the air that we are, should be very good, I'd say. Anyway, over and out. 73, 88.